Hello everyone, let's discuss question number 13. The question, we need to find the radius of gyration for a uniform rod of length L about an axis passing through a point L/4 away from the center of the rod and perpendicular to it, right? To solve this question, first we'll find the moment of inertia around the axis passing through the center of the rod and the perpendicular to it, right? So to find that, the moment of inertia is the ml square by 12 plus ml by 4 whole square. This is by the parallel axis theorem, right? So when we take the LCM on these two terms, we get the I as 7 mi square upon 48, right? Now we know that the radius of gyration is equal to for I equal to mk square. K is the radius of gyration. If we compare the new value of I with this equation, we can get the value of k. Hence from this we can say that the k is equal to under root 7 upon 48 into I. The correct option is option A.